Hey besties, today we are going to talk about how to use your own hairline for a wig. This is such a nice hack if you're worried about that wig hairline, so let's talk about how we do that. So a lot of times when people want to try a wig for the first time, they say, how do I begin? And I normally recommend either going for your hair goals or going with something that's going to match your own hair. Usually matching your own hair is going to be a little less scary, and this way you can use your natural hairline to blend into the wig, and then what hairline? You don't have to worry about it. What you will need is a curling iron. I'm basically using this curling iron because I want to match the curls of this wig. Next, I recommend using a little bit of eyeshadow if you are 6 months out of getting your hair colored like me. This is just going to help the seamless blend on my hairline. Not always necessary, but it's definitely a little helpful hint to make sure that it blends seamlessly. Finally, just some hair elastics. I'm going to show you how to style your hair half up to really disguise that front hairline. Let's get started. The style I chose is dark brunette Catherine. It's closest to my base color along with these blonde highlights, so I know that it'll blend really, really well. So what I'm going to do is not wear a wig cap. This way, if I try to wear a wig cap, it's going to have to sit back on my head and it'll keep sliding back, and nobody wants that drama in their life. Am I right? Fabulous. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just part the front section here and leave these pieces out, and then just put the back of my hair just like in a hair tie, leaving it in like a low bun. Kind of want it as flat as possible. So a lot of times when people are putting on a wig, the thing they're going to fixate on is the hairline. And trust me, nobody is looking at your hairline. Nobody's gonna know. But we like having this hack just because who doesn't want to feel like absolutely comfortable? This is really going to help kind of ease into wig wearing. So what I'm going to do now is style my hair like this wig. So I'm just grabbing this curling iron and I'm just going to put some curls right here in the front. This hack will also be really good if you are using it for any sort of formal event. So this is going to be really nice for styling as well. If you do want to actually, so I'm going to be pulling up my hair half up to really disguise that hairline. However, if you do want to also use it to match up with your hairline, I just recommend really cutting that lace back so that way you don't see the lace at all. Hot tip. Once I have that prepped and ready, now I'm going to grab my wig and I'm going to make sure that I've got that hair. So I've got my hair parted right here. I want to make sure that that part also lines up with that spot as well. And flip up. So again, right here, I could just match that right up into my hairline. I would just grab a little bit of face powder, but for this purpose, we're going to wear it half up because we love a little half up too. What I'm next going to do is make sure those combs on the inside, I want to make sure that this wig is not slipping and sliding around. So I'm going to grab those inner combs and just weave that into my own hair to really hold it tight. And also that back one. All right, fabulous. So now I'm going to just start pulling up my front hair and grabbing the wig as well and kind of creating like this half up little top knot moment. And look at how well that is already blending. What hairline? We're not worried about it. So once we have that hair pulled back, I'm just going to grab an elastic and secure it into place. This is taking me back to my Jersey Shore days. Who remembers Snooki and her bump? We threw a party once, Jersey Shore themed, and it was called Gym Tan Laundry, and it was the funnest party ever. Okay, so now I'm just going to pull that apart. Like I said, I've not gotten my roots done in probably 6 months. This is the benefit of never having to color your hair. My hair is the healthiest it's ever been because I never have to actually color it. So let's quick grab some eyeshadow. So now I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is just the original one. And I'm going to tap into a little bit of Central Park and Soda Pop. And I'm just going to start dusting that onto my hairline just to make sure it's a little bit darker. And it's literally that simple. Look how good that looks. It is so cute. It blends seamlessly. And now everyone is just going to look at me and think I have the most fabulous hair ever. And they're right. I do have the most fabulous hair ever.